Every theorem has a story. That's the story of Kapitsa's conjecture on twin primes in Pythagorean triples. What is twin primes, TP? A twin prime is a prime number that is either 2 less or 2 more than another prime number, for example, either member of the twin prime pair, 41, 43. In other words, a twin prime is a prime that has a prime gap of 2. Sometimes the term twin prime is used for a pair of twin primes. An alternative name for this is prime twin or prime pair. What is Pythagorean triples, PT? Pythagorean triples are a squared plus b squared equals c squared where a, b and c are the 3 positive integers. These triples are represented as a, b, c. Here, a is the perpendicular, b is the base and c is the hypotenuse of the right-angled triangle. The most known and smallest triplets are 3, 4, 5. The first known PT is the famous 3, 4, 5 triple. It contains 3 and 5 as twin primes. The Kapitsa conjecture states that there is only one Pythagorean triple that contains such a real twin prime in their 3-element sets. Some may say that there are many triples such as the ones given in the following, but they do not contain a real TP. Some of them only have 1 prime. Some may have 2 primes, but never being a real TP, which should be a difference of 2 consecutive primes. If somebody finds one set, which contradicts the upper condition, please inform this to the mail address time.traveler225@gmail.com. This is a conjecture. There may be someone in the future who will find such a PT which contradicts the Kapitsa conjecture. For anyone who is interested with the conjecture, just click the following link under the video detail to download the folder, within which 2 Mathematica 9.0 NB programs are waiting your execution. You need Mathematica 9.0 or higher to execute the .NB programs. With these .NB programs you will be able to produce random twin primes up to 50 digits in length and check the truthness of the conjecture for any digital length. Added new speculation folders about BRUN theorem under the video detail.